Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the CreditWise app. So let's get started. So here you have to open your Google Play Store or Google. If you're an Apple user, then you have to open your Apple Store. Then at here, you have to search for the Wise Credit. Okay, just search it here, Wise Credit. Okay, as search as Wise Credit app. Okay, the search is like this. So here we can see Wise Credit app. Okay, just click on here. Then you have to click on this button. So right here you have to open it. Then here we can see the install button. So before clicking the install button, you have to check for the reviews. Okay, if you find this okay, then you can install it. Okay, and if you want to give ratings, you can give the ratings from here, and if you want to contact the support, you can contact from here. Okay, so after that you have to go and click on here at the install button. Okay, and install it, and after that it will be done. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.